Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be talking about the cons of a lie detector test. But first, I would like to ask for a volunteer from the audience.
Ooh, me.
You, sir. Please state your name.
Dennis Jordan.
And your age.
15.
What school and what grade are you in?
I go to Chiba Dream. I'm in 10th grade.
Last question. Who put all those dishes in the sink last night?
You did?
See, he lied. But it was an easy way that he could manipulate the test. That's why we shouldn't trust lie detector tests. But before, I would like to give a little bit of history. A polygraph is a device that measures and records several physiological indirects such as blood pressure, pulse, and skin conductivity while a person is asked and answers a series of questions. Before I go on with my presentation, I would like to show a funny clip from Maury.
Who fears that her boyfriend Caleb is leading a secret double life. Not only has Caleb all these female friends on Facebook, Kiasha has discovered incriminating messages between Caleb and other women. We're about to reveal the results. So, what do you want to say to him before I read the results?
If you fail this test, you done for. It's over with.
I got the results right here. Ralph, thank you. Other than the times Kiasha knows about it, you slept with any other women? You admitted to our lie detector administrator.
You could have been at home.
You refuse to say how many times. Do you tell Kiasha that you're using women for money to hide the fact that you are cheating? You said no, the lie detector test determined that was a lie. Have you slept with any of the women who correspond with you on social media? You admitted to our lie detector administrator. Did you sleep with another woman while Kiasha was pregnant? And Ralph?
He admitted that he did.
See? That boy is a liar. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Why we shouldn't use polygraphs. The credibility was affected when they started using it for public and reality TV shows, just like Maury. The accuracy rate is between 50% to 87.5%. The examiner training is expensive and it takes a year internship. The examiner also could lie for the subject and the criminal could get away with the crime. There's multiple ways to manipulate the test. Here are some ways to manipulate the test. Try controlling your breathing. Contraction of your muscles. Bite your tongue or the inside of your mouth. I actually knew that one. I don't know why.
I didn't know that.
Think about horrible things, such as death or maybe like your grandma naked or something. When you're being asked relevant questions, try to do mental math and think about calming subjects. In conclusion, why would we ask for an extra person to be in the mix to lie for the subject and give them a better chance of getting away? We already have the jury. Now the criminal is walking in the streets and has a chance to do the crime again. Also, why should we depend on a computer to see if they're telling a lie? Computers don't even have feelings for themselves. But even though I don't agree with lying, next time you're under a lie detector test, just bite your tongue and think about hard math problems. Thank you.
I like how you added Jesus and it says, of course I exist.
My video.
Yeah, I want